Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you some new products in the shop and then something new that I have received countless of emails, Facebook messages, I said emails on YouTube, all over the place. Something that everyone wanted or a lot of people wanted, and I put some work into it last week and I got it to work. We just didn't know if we could make it work, but we got it to work, and that's making bundles. They want, like, if it's the number, just to have a bundle so you have all the colors into one bundle. And because I couldn't do it, that's why we had put the embellishments on for 25%. Now that the bundles are going to be up, you can get the bundles at a discount at 30% off. We're going to leave just the individual files at 25% till the 10th, till my class is no longer on sale, and then they'll go up regular price, and then to get a savings you can get the bundle. Okay, so what was available last Friday or yesterday, and actually I think he made them available earlier in the week. I just didn't have a chance to make a video because I had to work. But last week we released this cute little font in with the white text. This week it's the same font with a black text. I thought he was going to use the other two color, but he wanted to stick to the same color because he said he wanted everything to match perfectly. So if you look at a sheet of a single color, let me just get a single color. So the pink, that pink is this pink, and that pink is this pink. So there's a couple of pinks that are not on there, but I mean, they're pretty close. So these pink letters go with all the pink embellishments that's in the shop. So now we have the white text in the same font and the black text in the same font. Let me know if you'd be interested in more letters like this. I have plans for circle ones and that stuff, but what I'm saying, this rectangular shape again, but with a different font. I don't know. I bought only this font, like I bought the wholesale license for it for just this font, but I could get more fonts if that's something like maybe more like a typewriter look, or, you know, just different fonts. So, but for now we have the white text. You can buy them separately or you can buy them in a bundle, so you get every single color. And the thing that's different with the letters file that we did new is you get the A4 size, which is 8¼ by 11¾ because that's the size of stickers that I had. And then we converted it. You get two files. You get that and you get the 8½ by 11. So if you just want to print on white cardstock and then use some score tape and turn it into a sticker, you can do that. So, and then this week, probably on Monday, the black lettering of the numbers will be available. But for now, for the weekend, it's just going to be the white letters. And this afternoon, I'll be working on the bundle for those. But, oh, I love it. Every time I would get, you know, a sticker sheet and you have like this many numbers, and then you do 2020 twice and you're out of 2s and you're out of 0s. Well, he did 2 rows of 0s. So that means there's 48 zeros. There's 48 1s. And he did that to number 9. And then we chose a few you know, signs like the exclamation, the question mark, the numbers, the number sign or the pound sign for hashtags, and the @ and we got the ampersand. And then this is supposed to be like a little star, but I guess with this font, it just does like a little X and then just an apostrophe so that you can make some titles. But again, it comes in all the colors, and those are available now. And then the black font numbers will be available, like I said, probably Monday. He just didn't have time to finish them off. So while I'm talking about bundles, I'll just chat about how they're put together. So if I had tabs, there's a bundle for tabs, all the colors, all the plain colors and all the mixed colors. So your Cozy Cafe and the seasoned spices. So the assorted ones and the plain ones are all in one bundle at 30% off. So we have one bundle for, let's say, the tabs, the plain tabs, and then because we made some more tabs, there's another bundle for the polka dot tabs. So the same thing for the frames. I have the plain tabs that are a bundle and then the polka dot frames that are a bundle. And then we have 3 different types of labels. So we have, small labels number 1, and then we have small labels number 2. Is that the same thing? Do we have 3 small labels? Oh no, those are the same ones. I'm like, what's going on? So small labels number 1, small labels number 2. This is one package or a bundle. This is one package or a bundle. And then we have our first labels that we put out. That's a bundle. And then we have, the circles that you can also use for labels, or you can use them for embellishment foundations. They come in 3 sizes. They come at 2-inch, 1.5, and then 1 inch. I'm not sure if I have some 1 inch there, but it comes in 3 sizes. So the bundles come in 3 sizes. Same things with the viewfinder. You have the 2-inch viewfinders, that's a bundle. The 1.5-inch viewfinder, that's a bundle. And then the 1-inch viewfinder is a bundle, but also the 1-inch with the heart in the middle is a bundle, and the 1-inch with the 1.5-inch with the heart in the middle is also its own bundle. Then we have these journaling labels. That's a bundle. So one of the biggest bundles of them all is the grid papers. So you have a bundle for the large grid paper in all the colors, and then you have a bundle for the medium graph paper in a bundle. So that's it. That's the update in our shop this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.